Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Midea dishwasher quickly and easily. First, turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. If you can't reach the plug, turn off the circuit breaker for a few minutes to cut power. Next, wait 1 to 2 minutes to allow the control board to fully reset. This helps clear any minor glitches or error codes. Plug the dishwasher back in or turn the circuit breaker back on. On most Midea models, press and hold the Start Reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. The lights on the control panel should flash or return to normal, indicating a successful reset. If your dishwasher has a digital display, check that all indicators have cleared. This ensures the reset worked and the dishwasher is ready for a new cycle. Finally, run a short test cycle without dishes to confirm that the dishwasher operates normally and responds to commands correctly. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Midea dishwasher and restore proper function. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.